Hey, what's going on, family? Peace and love. This is your boy, LaShawn Suga Ray Marston. Listen, now that we all know what a brain coach actually does, let's get to the coaching. Today, we're diving into something that every human being needs, but almost none of us were taught how to actually care for your brain. I'm not talking about in the medical way. I'm not talking about in a quick fix, take the supplement and hope for the best kind of way. No, I'm talking about real, everyday brain nourishment. Your brain is the headquarters of your life. Every thought, every emotion, every decision, every dream, it all runs through this incredible system of yours. And the truth is, almost none of us were given the manual on how to operate this complex system. So today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 pillars of a healthy, thriving brain using the LLMNNOP method that I picked up from Brain Academy. These are 7 simple practices that can change and transform the way you think, feel, heal, and show up in the world. So let's break this down. What is LLMNNOP? LLMNNOP is a powerful framework for brain wellness. It stands for love, laughter, movement, novelty, nature, omega-3, and pause it. 7 pillars that are simple enough for anybody to practice, yet profound enough to reshape your life from the inside out. In my work as a brain and soul coach, these 7 pillars are foundational because when you strengthen your brain, you strengthen your existence. So let's get into it. 1, L, love. Connection is brain power. Love is the most underrated brain nutrient. It is the most underrated brain nutrient by far. And no, I'm not talking about romance. I'm not talking about romantic love. I'm talking about connection, being seen, being valued, right? Belonging, right? I'm talking about safety, affection, gratitude, and community. When you feel love and when you give love, your brain releases oxytocin, which is the chemical for safety, bonding, trust, and emotional strength. This is why isolation destroys people and why community heals. Today, call somebody you love. Tell somebody you appreciate them. Make eye contact. Practice compassion. Your brain will thank you. 2, L, laughter. Joy is medicine. Laughter isn't just fun. No, it's therapeutic. When you laugh, your brain releases serotonin, dopamine, and endorphins, which is the brain's natural healing cocktail. You reduce stress and you bring clarity, right? Most people live in survival mode, and survival mode steals your joy. So find reasons to laugh. Watch something funny, tell a joke, laugh at your own mistakes, right? I do it all the time. Laugh at your own mistakes. It loosens the heaviness and reminds your brain that life is still safe, still beautiful, still worth showing up for. 3, M, movement. Motion moves energy. Your brain loves movement. Every time you move your body, you increase blood flow, oxygen, and glucose, aka brain fuel. Movement doesn't mean you have to be an athlete. No, it's very simple. Walking, stretching, dancing, jumping jacks, shake loose the tension. I tell people I work with, breathe, stretch, shake, let it out. Do a little shoulder shimmy. Truly, it works, right? When your body moves, your brain breathes. If you feel stuck emotionally, chances are your body hasn't moved enough. So try just 10 minutes a day and watch how quickly your mood shifts. 4, novelty. Your brain grows through surprise and new things. Your brain is designed to learn, explore, and adapt. When your life becomes predictable, your brain becomes stale. Listen, when your life becomes predictable, your brain becomes stale. Trying new things builds new neural pathways. Novelty literally reshapes the way you think. So learn a new skill. Take a different route to work. Try a new food. Read a new book. Every time you introduce something new, you are literally sharpening your brain's ability to think creatively and solve problems. Growth truly requires surprise. 5, nature. N, the original reset button. Nature is your brain's natural healing environment. Sunlight boosts serotonin, fresh air increases oxygen, trees regulate your nervous system, natural soundscapes reduce stress. Even 5 minutes outside can transform your entire day. Go to a park, touch a tree, right? Look at some water, stand in the sun, let the wind speak to you. Your brain wasn't designed for constant concrete and screens. No, it was designed for sky, water, and soil. 6, Omega-3, literally food for thought. Literally. Omega-3 fatty acids are building blocks for your brain. They support memory, mood, and mental clarity. They help your neurons literally communicate more efficiently. Plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and things like that. There are many others. Do a quick search. These foods literally help your brain fire smoothly. Your brain needs healthy fats to operate and to function at its best. 7 pauses. Rest is how the brain integrates wisdom. This is probably the most important pillar. We live in a world that worships productivity, but the brain doesn't grow through the hustle. No, it grows through integration. Silence, stillness, breathing practices, moments where nothing is demanded of you. Remember the old adage, the ancient adage, stillness is the way. Your brain is constantly processing, repairing, and reorganizing. You can only do that when you pause. So take breaks. Give yourself space. Breathe. Put your phone down. Step away from the screen. Right? Honor nothingness. Your peace isn't a luxury. It's literally neurological hygiene. When you practice these 7 pillars, love, laughter, movement, novelty, nature, omega-3, and pauses, you're literally upgrading and healing your brain. A healthier brain means clearer thinking, stronger emotional regulation, more creativity, deeper purpose, more joy, more resilience, and a life that finally feels like it's moving in the right direction. This is foundational work for my work. This is foundational for my work as a brain and soul coach. When the brain heals, the soul elevates. And when the soul elevates, your life truly begins. If this resonates with you, stay with me. Hit subscribe, right? Drop a comment, share this video with a friend, and join me for the rest of the series as we build healthier brains, healthier lives, and a healthier world. And if you want to go deeper with me, if you really want to rewire your brain and your mind and live in alignment with your higher self, stay tuned. My brain and soul coaching program is launching soon. This is just the beginning. Peace, love, and liberation.